Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to answer a question that I get a lot. Can I skim coat over my painted popcorn ceiling? A lot of times when someone goes to remove their popcorn ceiling and it's been painted, it's almost impossible to scrape off. The ceiling has been painted, had some condensation issues and some repairs. My customer's grandson attempted to do this ceiling repair. You can skim coat your painted popcorn ceiling. It's just going to take a little elbow grease. On this project, the popcorn ceiling has been painted. It's an older ceiling as well, so there's potential maybe for asbestos or lead paint. So instead of tearing out the drywall and starting over with this ceiling, the customer wanted me to just skim coat over the painted popcorn ceiling. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. My name's Paul, and I've been a drywall and painting contractor for over 20 years. If you're looking to hone in your drywall, texturing, or even painting skills, be sure to hit that subscribe button now to keep up with all my latest videos. I'm using a 14-inch stainless steel drywall taping knife and a 16-inch stainless steel mud pan to skim coat over this painted popcorn ceiling. I'm also using a all-purpose joint compound. Did not thin it down too much with water. You want to keep it kind of thick when going over a popcorn ceiling. If you mix it too thin, you're going to have to do multiple coats. To cover this popcorn ceiling, it's going to take 2 coats of skim coating. I'll leave a link in the YouTube card above to the video where I show how to skim coat this popcorn ceiling from start to finish. And if you want to learn how to repair your own drywall, perfect your drywall skills, match textures, get tips and tricks from a 20-year drywall and painting contractor, then start right now by hitting the round icon in the center of the screen now to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.